Hello everyone guys. So for today's video, this is also part of our phase 2. So for the requirements for phase 2, I'm going to be sharing with you on how you can, upload the requirements in phase 2. Phase 1 ka pa lang or before ka pa mag-visa, before ka pa mag-upload ng phase 1, dapat ready mo na siya. Kasi pwede mo na pong simulan si PIOS and si insurance. Pwede mo na talaga po siyang simulan. So, ang hindi mo lang kayang gawin is si PIDOS. So, apat kasi po yung kailangan natin. Una is si PIOS, PIDOS, medical, and the last one is, nung sinabi ko kanina, insurance. So, for my phase 2, ready na po ako for PIOS, medical, pinakauna kong ginawa medical, and then PIOS, and then insurance. PIDOS on Monday pa. So, sa Monday pa ako magpipidos. It's either online or offline. So, but I'm gonna tell you guys how to get your insurance. So in this video, I'm gonna be telling you or have a tutorial about the insurance. So pwede kang pumili guys. Pero for me, I prefer Paramount Insurance. Why? Because Paramount is very affordable, 1,700. At the same time, it's very fast. So I'm gonna show you some email that I've got from them. But first, I'm gonna tour you to the Google how you will find the Paramount. Okay. Okay, so we are here sa Google. All you have to type is Paramount Insurance. So, FW Insurance. Direct hire po to. Direct hire. So, read po natin, advisory, ganyan. Ito na yung pinaka-advisory. Okay. And then, balik tayo dito, X natin siya. OFW Insurance. So, ano ba yung pinoprovide ni Paramount? It provides necessary protection for all OFWs, agency, hire, direct hires, and balik manggagawa. For OFWs aged 18 to 60 years old, pasok po tayo sa insurance. So, it also completes the insurance requirement for OEC processing. So, walang insurance, walang OEC number. So, hindi ka makaka-flight ng walang insurance, in short. So, as you can see here, the meaning of OFW insurance is the protection for migration workers, inclusive for coverage in case of death, whether due to natural or accident, repatriation, due to death or termination of employment. So, mapa-accident, mapa-natural disaster, kung ano man, or ma-terminate tayo, may sasalo sa atin na insurance. Okay. And also, meron din po ditong pinunan tayo na kapag in case of, for example, sino yung magmamana ng ating mga ari-arian, nakalagay naman din dito. Or if, example, may compassionate visit a family member in case of hospitalization, pwede yun. Provided din nila yun. Okay. So, these are the inclusions. So, meron tayong $10,000 kapag namatay tayo. Sa incident naman, $15,000. Kapag naman na-disable, $7,500. Tapos, kailangan din dito na ito yung eligibility, yung mga kailangan na requirements. Meron tayong working visa or working permit, age 18 to 60, and dapat pasado sa medical. Requirements nila, punan lang natin or fill off the Paramount application form and the copies of this. Passport, at least 6 months validation, employment contract, English or another language. I mean, translate sa English dapat. So, meron naman tayong dalawang employment contract naman natin is in English. Meron siyang translation sa English, 'di ba? Work permit din natin may translation sa English. So, yun yung ipapasa natin. And then work permit yung medical natin, yun, na may nakatatak na fit to work. Okay, so click apply online. Click natin yung online. We will redirect to this site. And then upload your passport here. Saan daw nalaman yung Paramount? Syempre sa akin. Others. Tapos YouTube. Another vlog. Ayun. Tapos, referral. Pwede din ako. Tapos, upload passport. Yan. Yung copy ng passport nyo. It can be PDF, JPEG, PNG, or GIF. Tapos, last name, first name, address mo sa Pilipinas, city, province, gender, female, and so on and so forth. Tapos, in-next nyo dyan. Pagka-next nyo dyan, for example, lalagyan natin yan lahat. Diba? In-next na natin yan. Next natin, for example. Kaso wala kasi yung nakalagay sa passport kaya hindi may in-next. So, punan nyo ng lahat ng pangangailangan dyan. So, after mampunan ng lahat ng pangangailangan dyan, may mga sasagutan pa tayo about personal questions, sinong family mo, sinong beneficiary mo, ganun-ganun. So, ayun, hanggang sa tayo ay makatapos ng pagsasagot. After that, may mag-i-email po sa atin. So, let's go back to our mail. Okay, so pagbalik natin sa email, ito lang yun. Paramount. Ito. Yan. Lalabas ito. Yung babayaran, $30.72. Itong $30.72, kailangan i-check natin to sa palitan ng pera. Kung ano yung lagay ng palitan. Ayun. Tapos, after ma-check nyan, kailangan nating bayaran. Paano? Paano babayaran? So, punta ka doon sa reference number. Ito yung reference number natin. Ipapasa nila, reference number, and then click mo yung link dito. Please click the link. Tapos, how to pay. Lagay mo dito yung reference number mo. Tapos, magpe-pay ka dyan. It's either credit card or GCash. Mas mabilis ang GCash or Paymaya. After that, nabayaran mo na siya ng sakto sa bayad mo, balik ka na dito sa certificate. Yan, nasa baba na yung certificate. Ito yung sample ng certificate natin. And then, ito yung official receipt. Okay na ba? So, yun lang. You will print this, 2 copies. Tapos yan yung i-upload mo siya, screenshot din, i-save mo yung pictures, i-upload mo siya sa phase 2. Kapag nagbukas na siya. Pag nagkaroon na ng clearance ang iyong phase 1. Okay? So, yun lang po. God bless everyone and see you again on my next video. Goodbye!